Cool guys, Sean Glove here from Red Cherry Events. We're now in October, which means we've covered most of the events for this year. The bakkies have gone through quite a time. They've been traveling all around the country, from the Transkei to Addo to Hogsback to here in the Western Cape to the Garden Route. You name it, they've been there. But one thing that we have been looking after are our seats. Lots of things going in and out of the car, lots of people, lots of things, lots of everything. So right now it's time to give them a proper wash. The guys at Escape Gear, they've kitted us out with the ultimate set. It's plant powered, it's grey water safe, and it's gentle on fabrics, but it's tough on stains. Number one, we've got clean. The directions for use is we're going to wash these separately from other laundry, so don't mix this with all the other laundry that you maybe have. We're going to use 30 mils, so 3 top caps. So this thing's going to last a long time. But this car's been through a lot, so I'm going to probably add a couple more caps to mine. We're then going to take the Restore, and this is also the same thing again. So once you've washed it once with the clean, you then wash it again with the Restore. Then we're going to do this one, which is going to be just a freshener. Number 3, you can't miss it. Number 3, so 1, 2, and 3. You guessed it, you got it. Let's use it. So this is a fabric deodorizer. So once all these seat covers have been stripped off, once we've gone through the first cycle of the clean, the second cycle of the Restore, we're then going to use the freshen. And then for the final phase, if there's anything that's not being removed, like some tough little stains, we're going to use the fabric stain remover. A little bit more harsher than the other ones. This will be our final cherry on top to make sure that our Escape Gear seat covers are ready for another year out tackling the elements. So before we get to use the ultimate cleaning kit from Escape Gear, we've got to get all of these covers off. And look at that, leather seats, been so well protected, basically look brand new, because these things have taken all the shots, so your car doesn't have to. Cool, now that we've managed to strip our bakkie of everything that it needs, we've got the Escape Gear Ultimate Cleaning Kit. We have got our seat covers off, all nicely stacked over here. We're going to do the fabric detergent first, followed by the fabric conditioner. Let's get this going. We'll put it on outdoor wash. We're going to take our, firstly, the number 1 clean. It says 3 scoops, but we're just going to kind of wing it. It's pretty much 3 scoops. Okay, now that our seat covers have run for quite a while, we're going to throw in our fabric conditioner to make sure that the cherry is on top. Cool guys, so now that our Escape Gear seat covers have gone through the wash, we've applied our essential cleaning kits to them, we've dried them out. We're going to pull them out of our bags. See, Escape Gear don't just make seat covers, they also make beautiful duffel bags. And that's it guys, our Escape Gear seat covers are back on. We've used the ultimate seat cover cleaning kit to make sure that this range has got a lot more Ks in it and the seats are going to be well protected inside. There's also a few other little treats and bits inside here, because putting these things on and off is such a mission. You've got this refresher. This is just a little thing you can spray on, just to kind of keep it smelling nice, keep it smelling good. And then also if there's some real thick stains, you've got more of a thicker stain remover, like that sort of feature over there. More of a stain remover.